Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the left outer drawer glide in your electric range, fully remove the bottom drawer. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the screw securing the left drawer glide, and you can lift the old glide out. Install the new outer drawer glide by inserting the rear of the glide into the slot in the retaining bracket. Then insert the retaining tab into the slot in the frame. Replace the screw. Reinstall the drawer, and your electric range should be ready for use.